Want to install FaceFusion 3.5.2 on Windows without the headache? In this video, I'll walk you through the easiest setup method so you can start face swapping in minutes. Let's dive in. Let's review what's me. First, we'll go to FaceFusion's GitHub page. Then, click Install. We will proceed to the first step, prepare your platform, by clicking on Windows. We'll install Git. You just need to click, copy, and paste it into CMD. Next, we will install conda. Next, we will install FFmpeg. We will now move on to the Prepare Your Environment step. We will initialize conda for terminal. If we encounter an error like the one in the video, first we will go to the search bar, type Anaconda prompt, and open the Anaconda application. We will type the command conda activate to activate conda. Then we will close the old CMD window and reopen the new one. We re-enter the init command that we copied earlier. Next, we will create the environment. Next, we will activate the environment. Now we'll move on to the Install Your Accelerator step. I'm using an NVIDIA GPU, so I'll install CUDA. If you have a powerful GPU, you should install TensorRT. If you don't have a GPU, you can install OpenVINO to use Intel's default GPU. We will now move on to the next step, download your copy. We will clone the FaceFusion repository to our computer. Now we'll move on to the Install the Application step. In this step, I'll be using CUDA. If you don't have a GPU, you can use a CPU. Now we'll move on to the Reload Your Environment step. We will now proceed to the final step, run the program. We have successfully run FaceFusion. Next, we'll create a batch file to automatically run the FaceFusion treatment the next time. First, we'll create a text file. Then we'll fill in the code in that text file. I've included the text file content in the description. After that, save the file, change the file extension to .bat, and you're done. I will use FaceFusion. I will upload the source image and the target image. We can preview the image. You'll see the face is slightly blurry. We will use Pixel Boost to make the face sharper. The image is now clearer. If you want even more detail, we can use the Face Enhancer function. On first use, we will wait for FaceFusion to download the model. The image now looks great. You can choose a folder to save the images. I'll use the FaceFusion folder. Additionally, you can choose the output quality. To start FaceSwap, simply click Start. The speed is very fast and the images are very good. As you can see, FaceSwap photos are extremely good. I will try a different input image. This time, I'll try the Face Editor function, which allows you to edit the output face. For example, I'll try adjusting the eye direction. And the images are very good. Now I'll try with video. I will turn off two functions, leaving only FaceSwap enabled. The FaceSwap function on videos is also extremely good. So we have now completed the installation and use of FaceFusion. If you found this guide helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more AI tutorials. Run into any errors? Drop a comment below and I'll help you out. Catch you in the next one.